Hey word explorers! Are you ready to level up your brain power? Because today's word is a game changer, right here on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is independence. Can you shout it so loud your neighbors learn it too? Independence. Let's go. Let's spell it together, and this time, march in place while you say each letter. I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. That spells independence. You're spelling champions. Independence means the state of being free and self-reliant. That's when you can do things by yourself, make your own choices, and shine your own light. Let's learn some buddy words that mean the same as independence. Say it with me. Self-reliance, freedom, autonomy, self-sufficiency, liberty, control, initiative. Wow, each of those words is like adding extra tools to your power kit. Now here are the opposite words, the ones independence does not hang out with. Dependence, reliance, attachment, submission, bondage, helplessness. See, these are the words that mean you don't get to call the shots. Here's a great example. Learning to tie her shoes gave Sofia a sense of independence. She can tie them anywhere, anytime. Quick recap. Independence means the state of being free and self-reliant. Synonyms: self-reliance, freedom, autonomy, self-sufficiency, liberty, control, initiative. Antonyms: dependence, reliance, attachment, submission, bondage, helplessness. Independence is your secret superpower. You can stand tall, make your own choices, and lead your own adventures. Today's challenge: do one thing all by yourself. It could be pouring your own cereal, setting the table, or building the tallest pillow fort ever. Then tell someone about it using the word independence. Every time you do something on your own, your confidence grows stronger, and soon you'll be unstoppable. That's it for today's word power, my word explorers. Go out there and make it an independence adventure. See you tomorrow for another brain-boosting word.